Good afternoon, Rosemary.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Please introduce yourself.
Yes, my name is Rosemary Bintolan, 41 years old. I have one daughter, 14 years old. I'm a single mother. I'm graduated in University of Cebu, 2 years course. And I was working in Hong Kong, the latest job.
The first employer was in
And
Dubai,
Singapore.
and then
First in Singapore, the second one in Dubai, the third in Qatar, the last one in Hong Kong.
Let's talk about Hong Kong.
Yes, ma'am.
What Chinese food you know and still know how to cook?
I know how to cook steamed fish, stir-fried vegetables, long soup, a lot of Chinese foods I know how to cook.
What is your main duty in your employer's house in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am. My main duties is cooking, car washing, ironing the clothes, washing the clothes, preparation for breakfast or dinner.
You have served 5 members
Yes, ma'am.
in your employer's house. For adults.
For adults, there are 4.
There are 4 adults.
Yes. The grandmother and the grandfather.
And then 2 children.
2 children, yes, ma'am. 2
How
years
old?
old.
2 years old.
Yes, ma'am.
And then
1
your
year old.
employer?
When I come in Hong Kong, the mommy is pregnant. Then after 2 months, she born. So that's why I have 1 year old.
So you were the one who looked after the newborn baby
Yes, ma'am.
until the baby was 1 year old.
Yes, ma'am.
Who sleep with the newborn baby?
The grandmother. The both,
Grandmother.
yes, the both children.
So you're just looking up.
I look after when we go outside, we having lunch, then I will play with them.
Your how many maids or housemates?
Only
Your
one,
girl?
only
Only you.
one, yes.
What time do you wake up in the morning? What
I
time
wake
do you
up
sleep?
5 o'clock in the morning, then I sleep at night at 10 p.m.
So what do you do? How do you start your day as a domestic helper in your employer's house? 5 a.m.
Before I wake up, I fix myself. Then I start to clean all inside the house. Then after, I prepare for breakfast for the children.
Then
Then after, we prepare for outside because we are always lunch outside, ma'am.
and then
I go with them.
how many times do you cook?
Mostly night time.
Only night time.
Yes, ma'am.
Because usually you spend the day outside
Yes, yeah, outside.
with the newborn baby.
Yes, ma'am.
You also do car washing.
Yes, ma'am.
How many cars?
2 cars. I clean twice a week.
Twice a week.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you also do ironing and doing laundry.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
many times do you do laundry and how many times do you do
Every
ironing?
day I wash the clothes. Then ironing twice a week for my boss.
In your other employer, you are asked to look after the children.
Yes, ma'am.
How do you manage naughty children?
I play with them.
You play with them?
Yes,
Do you also do tutoring?
yes, ma'am.
How many times do you have day off in your employer's house in Hong Kong?
When Hong Kong, yeah, once a week, every Saturday. Yes.
What if your next employer in Hong Kong will ask you to clean his mother's house? Is that okay with you?
Yes, okay.
Is it okay if you finish your household chores before going out for holiday?
Yes, ma'am. I do for that.
Any message for your future employer?
Sir and Madam, good day to you. If you hire me as one of your domestic helper, thank you for choosing me. And God bless. See you in Hong Kong.
Okay, that's all. Thank you, Rosemary.
Thank
Good
you.
day.